Hello and welcome to the project on happiness ranking systems. In this project, we will be predicting rankings of countries on the topic of happiness. That is why, they will be building a machine learning model on a data set that has happiness ranking or happiness index. So with me, I have a dataset of happiness index, and with that we will be training our model and predicting the index. Moving forward. What is happiness index? It's an indexation of happiness based on survey results that was first used in the 2012 World Happiness Report. In the survey, the respondents were asked to rate their happiness on a scale of 0 to 10. The happiness index is calculated by averaging the survey results of the respondents. So the definition of happiness index originates from the Gross National Happiness Index. It may surprise you, but in 1972, Bhutan started prioritizing happiness over other factors, such as wealth, comfort, and economic growth. This inspired the Happiness Council to define their own definition of the happiness index, which was coined in the 2012 World Happiness Report. Going into the details for the project. The project is divided into 3 parts. The first part, building the machine learning model to predict the happiness rankings or the happiness index. Second, we build a web application on Django to mount the prediction model. Third part, or the last part, is we deploy the Django project on Heroku through GitHub. We will start with building a machine learning model using simple linear regression model and train that model using the happiness index dataset. For this project, we will also be seeing standard scaler in action. I would say that we will be using standard scale to standardize our dataset for further processing. And with that, I would also be discussing the reason why I've implemented it. So the second part is building up Django web app. This is the second part of the course where we will be building the web application using the Django framework. We mount the model which we have built in the previous part or the first part in this project. Lastly, there's the last part of the course where we will deploy the Django application on Heroku using the connections to GitHub. So now, let's move on to the first part of this project.